Hey, it's Paul. It's the 5th of September. Do you know what that means? In the UK, the kids are going back to school after the long summer holiday. So a lot of people kind of are looking to get an income going online or something for the last sort of probably 8 weeks. Of, I'm on holiday soon. I'll leave it till after I'm on holiday. I'm on holiday. I'm back from holiday, but the kids are off and I got us. So now we're coming into the last quarter of the year where a lot of people are looking to build an income online, right? Especially when the nights start drawing in and it gets colder. So we are at the right time now. If you are looking to do that, I want something you could take advantage of, even if you are promoting any other business, right? This might be something you might want to do. And if you notice, it's the sort of thing very much that I try and do is provide value and tools and things that are going to help people get where they want to be, rather than just promoting biz ops. So let me share screen. Let me show you why I think this could be something you want to check out. And you can try it for as little as $1, right? You can try it for 7 days for $1. So I'm not asking you for a load of money. I will make 80 cents if you take the $1 trial. Right. Right. Okay. Let me get rid of that. Right. So it's called the Home Business Academy. And I have a great bonus. So if you're interested, okay, look at what I could give you if you want to join. Send me a message, right? Send me a message and I can potentially help you with another bonus on top that makes it a bit more of a no-brainer, right? However, let's just focus on this for now. So there are 4 main parts to it. One, there's a funnel builder. Now the funnel builder, if you don't know what a funnel builder is, it creates those pages where you can put in your email and pages for the thank you page. You can create a blog in it. It's got a store in it. But basically, if you want to make pages online, Russell Brunson's famous for saying you don't need a website, you need a funnel, right? This is a funnel builder. It's $25 a month, right? It's a funnel builder. You can look at funnel builders. That isn't, it's a great funnel builder, don't get me wrong. But for me, I want to focus this video and keep it short. I want to focus on the magic, right? There's a financial literacy academy. If you're in the US especially, I would say, check it out. Okay, it's a little bit more money. That's $500 if you buy it in your first 3 days. But it shows you how to save money on your taxes. It shows you how you can invest your money, so that you should make way more than that back, right? But that's again not where I really want to focus on. I want to focus on these 2 things here, right? So the premium level is where we give the bonuses I was talking about. I'll tell you up front, it's $125 a month, and I get some people before they've even looked say, how much is it? And I go, $125 a month. And they go, oh no. And I go, that's a shame because it came with a free Ferrari, but you've lost the chance for that now. And they're like, what? And I said, well, there isn't a free Ferrari, but you didn't even look at it before you said no, so you can't perceive the value in it. So you would have brought it if there was a free Ferrari. And they hadn't even looked. So this is why I do these videos. I want you to look and you can make an informed decision. So let's suppose you're promoting Ray Higdon always does great, pretty great, doesn't he? So let's suppose you're promoting Ray Higdon's great, pretty great, a made up business, right? And you're going, okay, I'm keen as mustard. I'm going to make a success of this business. I need to go and promote. What do I do? Well, I might want to make my own sales funnels. Oh, right, okay. So you want a sales funnel, right? So you go and you get the funnel builder. But then you're going, okay, I made pages, or the company's got pages and I need to promote them. I don't know what to do. Well, before you even get traffic, which is, if you're brand new to all of this, traffic is just basically visitors to your website. How do I get traffic? How do I get visitors, right? Well, before you even start, this is what you do to get ready. There's a please watch first, okay? There's invisible step to freedom, masterminds, keeping track of your passwords, bookmarks and browsers. Like the basics, guys, right? The basics. Not everybody needs this, okay? A lot of people don't think they need it that should look at it, from my experience of doing this online for a long time, okay? But if you are brand new, certainly you'll get a ton of value, right? And you'll understand things like target marketing and lead magnets. But if you're like me, you probably just want to dive straight in. So here's how to launch your business, whatever business. 3 steps to invisible invitations, simple, free, and limited leads with Facebook, nourishing the seed by how to follow up. Short form, that's hot, by the way, short form lead generation. So definitely you should watch that one. YouTube ranking, right? So you want to get your videos ranked on YouTube to get loads and loads of free visitors. Easy button YouTube strategy, free Facebook ads, podcasting, LinkedIn recruiting, Facebook Lives, blogging. There's a private blog network to help your blog get traffic. And the 5J challenge launch code. I haven't even been through that myself yet, because there's plenty in here to keep your business growing on a journey, right? I've had a couple of people say, oh no, there's too much in it, I haven't got time to go through all that. Totally, it's like eating. You know, there's not a table with all the food you're ever going to eat in your life, is there? And you look at it, you go, oh, I could never eat all that, so you don't bother and you starve. No, you eat your food 3 meals a day or whatever, right? So I still haven't got to that yet, right? But then you have paid traffic, which is how you can really scale, because at the end of the day, traffic isn't free. If you're spending time to generate free traffic and you value your time like you should, then there's no such thing as free traffic. The good thing about paid traffic is you can turn it off and on, you can scale it up, you can pull it back depending on where you're at with your business, what you need to do. So there's free traffic, there's paid traffic, but traffic is useless. And there are a lot of courses on how to get traffic out there. You can pay a lot of money for some of them, right? But it doesn't work if you can't convert the traffic. And that's why I was pleased to see this with HBA. So again, you're promoting Great Pretty Great. You got a way to build pages. You got ways to get free traffic. You got help getting set up. You get ways to get paid traffic, and you got ways to help that traffic convert. Okay. Now then, the thing that really, and I'm embarrassed to say, I never really took on board this, what I'm going to share with you now. I never really took this on board when I started. I am totally embarrassed, right? You've got every Monday night at 8 p.m. EST, unless it's like a holiday, like yesterday was Labor Day, for example, so they weren't on yesterday, but there's like a what's working now mastermind. They generally will get somebody on who's having results and ask them how they're doing it. Somebody said to me, oh yeah, but the training's a bit old. And I said, what do you mean the training's a bit old? Have you been through it? Well, no, but you know, blogging isn't as good now as it was, and it probably isn't, right? But how can it be out of date when every Monday night there's somebody telling you what is working now? How can it be out of date when the next one I want to share with you is the T&C Action Mastermind? We decided that daily action in business is super important and wanted to have a place where you can take daily marketing actions with us and have a place to ask questions as you are taking action. It's not a learning mastermind, it's an action mastermind. So what they do, look, we have a certain marketing focus for the month, and we will post the theme for the month below, and away they go. You get on this, and it is Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. EST. They go through every single day, Monday to Friday, again, unless there's a holiday. They will show you what, and by the way, the guys that run it are 7-figure marketers, right? They're 7-figure online marketers. They show you marketing. They actually do it in front of you. I've seen them build out affiliate stuff for Amazon that Mike does, one of the owners. He's building his business live in front of your eyes. And you can ask questions, and the questions don't have to be what they are talking about that day. You could ask anything. I need help setting up an autoresponder. You can ask, right? So that's 6 a week, right? And then on a Saturday, there's like a beginner's one, right? So getting started. If you're new to HBA, they take you through everything, so you know where everything is. No one's ever going to be in any doubt, right? There was one more as well, and it's a daily Grow Rich call. So it's a motivational sort of self-development call. So you get that included as well, right? But for me, the T&C one, again, the tension isn't to be on every single one. I don't want anybody to sit here and think, oh my God, I haven't got time to be on on a call every Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. I just can't do it. Doesn't matter, right? One, they're all recorded. Okay, so I will sometimes play one in the background while I'm working. Number two, if you have a specific question, that's when you want to get on live. Okay. Number three, if you can't be on live, but you have a question and you need something demoed so you can see it done for you if you're struggling, they will do that. And then you can go and you can watch the recording. Okay, straightforward, right? So this is all great. Then what I want to do, oh, by the way, high value bonus training, right? So you got some extra bonuses there, but I really want to jump to this for speed. The affiliate zone, getting started, checklist and treasure map. How many times have people come to me? Can you just show me what to do? I just need to know what to do. Can you just write out the steps for me? There you go. There you go. It's done for you. There you go. There you go. Done. Right. So we can put that one to bed because it's in here. Right. Then we've got core resources, we've got affiliate FAQs, bit about the FTC to make sure you don't fall foul of anything like that. Very easy, just put a disclaimer on. But now look, bonus vault, the magical morning formula, algorithms for abundance, gaining the algorithms, affiliate marketing domination, complete course. I want to build my great business. I want to build my live good business. I'm not interested in this. I want to build my live good business. How do I build my live good business? Well, you need to learn affiliate marketing. You need to learn marketing online. Okay, Paul. So I'm not interested in the HBA, but can you teach me how to run a complete affiliate marketing business online to promote my great live good business? Whatever. Yeah. Well, prepare your audience, have a bridging process, create a bonus that works with your offer. Yeah. How do I do that? Well, if you want to pay me, I'll charge you $5,000. I'll sit with you. I'll go for it with you. I'll charge you $5K for it. $5K? I don't need that. Well, no, I agree with you. You can go and get this for $100. Sorry, $125 a month. But right. So, and again, look, you got done few funnels, by the way. So if you just want to take sales funnels that are already done, you've got those. Then we've got copywriting. We've got a little black book of emails, masterclass. You got hidden secrets to stories that sell. So, I mean, basically, guys, anything you promote, this is why I'm passionate about this, because my business is tank. Let me explain. Okay. By the way, 80% commissions. So you pay $25 a month for the funnel builder. It pays $20 a month commissions. You're only out of pocket $5. $125 for the premium. That pays 80% as well. So every one you refer makes you $100. So you're only out of pocket $25. If you refer two, right, you'll actually be making $20 on the funnel builder side if you want that. And they're independent. You don't have to have both. On the premium level, you'd be paying out $125, but you'd be bringing in $200 just with 2 referrals in profit, which is pretty good, right? Pretty. I've not found anything as good as that. So, right. So let me explain. So this is why I like it. There's a $1 trial. You can ask me for the link, right? Let me explain something to you, right? Somebody who's built quite a few businesses now, and I said they tank. So this is what happens. I find something and I'm really keen on it and I can see the benefit of it and I test it and I go, yeah, this is good. I go out, I start sharing it and I explain to people and they go, you're right, I like it too, I'll join you. Then they start with, and I'm talking in general, right? Okay, and it's all on me because I put myself out there because I want to help, right? So what happens is I might go and say, get 10 people. And then 10 people will start saying, okay, what we're going to do? And I'll go, well, I'll build a funnel. Okay, so I build a funnel, whatever. And then they go, I can't get my Aweber. I can't get my autoresponder attached. Okay, I could be marketing now, but let's put that to one side then, because I need to help you. I will help you sort out your autoresponder. I sort out their autoresponder, right? Get back to marketing. Hey, Paul, can you help me get set up with this? Yeah, I can. Let's put that to one side. So the first person I enroll, maybe they refer to somebody. And let's suppose it was, I don't know, let's suppose it was Gary, right? So Gary refers Peter. Peter says, I'm not sure how to set up my autoresponder. Paul, help me. Let's go. Paul, Peter's got a problem with his autoresponder. Can you help him? Yeah. So what happens, obviously, as you grow your business, you're going to get the same questions. Now I can say, I'm sorry, I'm really busy, but I'm giving you 2 calls on a Monday, 1 call Tuesday to Friday every day, and a call on a Saturday where you can go and get direct help. I'm giving you a live chat where you can go and get help. I'm giving you an email address where you can email for support. I'm giving you a Facebook group where you can go inside the Facebook group and you can ask for support. I can't help you because I'm sleeping, eating, spending time with my family, or I'm trying to build my business. I don't feel bad now about sending anybody anywhere else because oftentimes these guys will do it better than I can, right? So if you are building any business, I urge you to check out HBA. It's a $1 trial of premium for 7 days. If you get the funnel builder and you pay $25, they give you 2 weeks of premium for free, so you can fully check it out. And I would say it's one of the best things I've ever done. I urge you to check it out, because I'm only asking you to spend, well, I'm not even asking you to spend anything. They are only asking you for $1, which I think is very fair. If you don't like it, you can cancel it right from the back office. There's none of that. Give us a call and tell us what you think, like where they're going to try and save you. There's none of that, right? Best thing online I've seen for a long time. It's not new. It's been going for, was it 2017? I think it started. So it's about 5 years old, which in internet years is amazing. And you do not get to be that long in business if there's no value, right? So with that said, send me a message if you want the link, and I'll give you whichever link is best for you. Whatever you like is the one I'll send you, right? And we can chat about it if you want me to answer any questions, right? But again, I'm not into answering a lot of questions. I heard somebody the other week was like, can you tell me this? Can you tell me that? And I'm like, yeah, it's $1 trial. It's all in there. Yeah, but what about this? Well, okay, but there's a $1 trial. And what about this? And like, look, and in the end, I just said it's not for you, because if you're not willing to spend $1 to check it out, you're certainly not going to take. You know, there's no point. I spent about an hour with them at that point, and I'm like, it's just not worth it. What am I doing? Okay, so check it out, see what you think. I'll see you on the next video.